I'd like to make a couple of points about party to a crime under modern law. The first point I want to make is that the terminology that we talked about under the common law, principles in the first degree, especially accessories before the fact and accessories after the fact, that kind of language is still used in the law, and some statutes even still use that language. In fact, some jurisdictions still follow that law. But the more common approach is the model penal code approach, the modern approach, which has it down to, instead of 4 categories, now it's down to 2 categories. Okay, accomplices and accessories. But just be advised that even the statutes that use just the 2 categories still use some of the language oftentimes from the old categories. Okay, all right. So accomplices and accessories are pretty simple. Accomplices are involved before or during the crime, and they're charged with the crime. So if the crime is robbery and I helped get it set up, or I was there, I'm charged with robbery also. Robbery is a party to a crime, right? The other category, remember I said there's 2 categories under modern law, are the other categories accessories, okay? So accessories assist after the fact. Those are the people that help someone escape, that hide evidence, bury the body, something like that, okay? They are charged typically with separate crimes. So instead, under modern law, so instead of being charged, so there was a robbery and a gun was involved, and the person comes running to your house and they say, "Here, I want you to take this gun, hide it for me." You do. You take the gun, you hide it. Later, the police figure out what you did, and you get charged. But you don't get charged with robbery as a party to a crime. Instead, you get charged with a separate offense. You get charged with probably obstructing, okay, because you're doing something that's making it more difficult for the police to do their jobs. All right, you can also, there are other offenses you can be charged with too, and it's going to vary by jurisdiction, but essentially that's how it works.